This dance is called Holding On to Yesterday. 32 count, 4 walls, and there's a tag at the end of wall 4. Let me show you section 1. Starting with your right foot. Step forward, do a mambo with your leg. Mambo step. Behind, side, cross. Side, rock, cross. Do a hinge turn, half turn. Quarter, quarter is a hinge turn. So now I repeat. Forward, mambo step. Behind, side, cross. Side, rock, cross. Hinge turn. With the count 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and. Section 2. Diagonal recover side. Rock recover side. Rock recover quarter. Step forward, half turn, back. And back, back coaster. Section 2. Rock recover side. Rock recover quarter. Step forward, make a pivot half turn, step back and back coaster. So with the count 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. Remember the 1 is here already for section 3. So now continue section 3 will be a rumba box. Side together forward, side together back. Quarter to your left, quarter recover, behind, side, cross. I repeat section 3 again, the rumba box. Side together forward, side together back. Quarter recover, behind, side, cross. So section 3 with the count will be already 1 included just now, so it's 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Continue section 4. Side, recover, behind, side, forward. Step, pivot half turn forward, full turn. This is section 4. So from here, I repeat. Rock, recover, behind, side, forward. Step, half turn, full turn. So with the count, 1 is already here. So 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and. I repeat the count again. 1 is already here. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and you continue the dance here with 1, 2 and 3. So now I do the whole dance. Okay? Ready? Go. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. 1, 3, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. More 4. 2 and 3, 4 and 5. 6 and 7, 8 and 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 5. 6 and 7, 8 and 1. 2 and 3, 4 and 5. 6, 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5. 6 and 7, 8 and. And on wall 4, there's a tag. The tag is step forward, 1, make a pivot half turn, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. I repeat the tag at the end of wall 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8.